Looking for the best personal loan? Congrats. In this video, I'm going to break down what lenders actually want from you. Spoiler, it's not your soul. How to compare loans without accidentally nuking your credit score. And the red flags that scream, I'm a scam, you're a victim. Plus, a trick that lets you shop around guilt-free. I'm Alex Gettlin with Achieve. We have helped thousands of people consolidate high-interest debt into one manageable payment. And we're ranked top 3 in customer satisfaction by LendingTree for a reason. Spoiler, the reason is we're really good at this and people trust us. So what do lenders actually want from you? The good news is it's not your dignity or your firstborn, just 3 things. Number 1, credit score. Most lenders are looking for somewhere between 580 and 670. Translation, not great, not terrible. You're living in the financial middle class. Higher score gets you a lower rate because capitalism rewards the already winning. Shocking, I know. 2, stable income. Lenders want to know that you can actually pay this thing back. They'll ask for pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, evidence that you're actually employed and not just vibing through life. 3, basic ID and a bank account. If you have an ID and somewhere the money can go, you're golden. Here's what people forget. Personal loans are unsecured. You don't have to put up your car, your house, or your vintage Pokemon card collection as collateral. You qualify based on credit and income, not what you own. APR, not just the interest rate. The interest rate is the sticker price, but the APR includes the sneaky fees that lenders hide in the basement. A low rate with a 10% origination fee is like a free puppy that costs $5,000 in vet bills. Repayment terms. Most loans are 2 to 5 years. Shorter term equals higher monthly payments, less interest overall. Longer term equals lower payments, more interest, more time to second guess your choices. Pick the one that lets you sleep at night instead of staring at the ceiling calculating regret. Fees. Some lenders charge origination fees between 1 and 10%, which is basically a cover charge for borrowing your own money. Others charge nothing. Always ask. It's not rude, it's smart. And here's the trick most people don't know. You can pre-qualify with multiple lenders using a soft credit check. That means you get to compare real offers without hurting your score. It's kind of like dating before you commit. Applying blindly to one lender is like proposing on the first date because the vibe felt right. Don't do that. Spend 20 minutes comparing 3 to 5 lenders. Rates vary by 5 to 6%. That difference could literally be thousands of dollars. Future you would very much like to not hate present you. Okay, so now it's time to make sure you're the hero of the story and not the main character in a financial horror film. Red flag number 1, no credit check required. They're not checking your credit at all. They're either charging rates that would make a loan shark blush or it's a scam. Soft checks for pre-qualification, totally fine. No check whatsoever, run. Red flag number 2, they ask for money up front. Gift cards, wire transfers, processing fees before you even get your loan. That is a scam, full stop. Legitimate lenders take their fees out of the loan proceeds. They never, and I mean never, ask you to pay first. If someone wants money before giving you money, that's not a loan. That's a donation to a scammer's vacation fund. Block the number and light some sage if you're into that. If you see either of these, find another lender. There are plenty of good ones out there. You don't need to settle for sketchy. Okay, so quick recap. Personal loan requirements are pretty straightforward. Decent credit, steady income, basic ID. Compare APR, terms, and fees using pre-qualification. And avoid anyone who skips credit checks or asks for money up front, because that's how you end up on a true crime podcast. A personal loan can be a genuinely smart move for consolidating debt or covering a big expense, but only if you pick the right lender. Do your homework. I know it's boring. Do it anyway. Want to see what you might qualify for? Achieve offers free rate quotes with no impact to your credit. Links in the description. At Achieve, we empower everyday people to manage debt, unlock cash flow, and move forward to a stronger, more resilient financial future. With over 20 years of experience and more debt resolved than any U.S. company, we provide free assessments, expert guidance, and no upfront fees. You only pay after a settlement is reached and approved. Subscribe for more videos on making smarter money moves. We'll see you on the next one.